It's Heidi with Nest Pretty. Welcome to a beautiful day walking in circles. So, I am a closet coach. I help women and I coach them in their closet and their life. And how can that totally help you? Well, getting coached in your closet means you're starting your day off on the right foot. You're representing yourself as the best version of you every day and just showing up. So I have been sharing to my email list. I hope it's not too windy. It's pretty windy. I've been sharing to my email list the tools that I recently got certified in to be able to help with my coaching. And if you want to get on my email list, just send me a DM and I'll put you there. But some of the work is just so profound and it can help you change your life. So, like last week I talked about thoughts and how they seem just like, reporting the news. We have so many thoughts pass through our mind every day, and the key is really to become aware of them and make decisions whether you like them or not. And I think a really great example of that is our thoughts about traffic. Let's just use that as an example. I personally have chosen the thought that there is no traffic. And I love that thought. It makes every time I get in my car a very peaceful experience. I just have the thought there is no traffic. I also have the thought that I always get green lights. And I do. And I always say thank you when I do. Conversely, I have had conversations with people who are very committed to the thought that the traffic is horrible, that it's terrible, that it's everywhere. And I listen with compassion. I do. But really, it's just a thought. The thing about our thoughts is when we have them, our brain is working really hard to prove our thoughts true for us. So our thoughts really become our reality. So if you think the traffic is terrible, there's so many people on the road, that is what you will see, I promise you. And your driving experience will be very stressful. And you may also make your passengers stressed out, especially if you continue the narrative and you talk about it all the time. My driving experience is always extremely peaceful. And it's so true that it's just your thoughts, because I may be at the stoplight, the red light, that happens sometimes, it's fine. It's not a big deal. And I could be in my car extremely peaceful and enjoying the beautiful weather and just waiting my turn to go through. And the person next to me may have very different thoughts about it. And they may be stressing about the red light, about how far behind they are, about how many people are on the road. So it's a very simple illustration of how your thoughts can affect your day, can affect your reality, affect your life, affect the people next to you in the car, in the passenger seat. So when you become aware of your thoughts, so let's say you're listening to me and you're like, Heidi, you're crazy. The traffic is terrible. You can change your thought about the traffic, and you can actually start enjoying the traffic. I dare you. I double dare you. I know my husband, we have this conversation a lot, and he does not agree with me. But that's a choice. So it could apply to any area of your life. Just check your thoughts. If you walk into your closet and you say, I have nothing to wear, your brain will prove that to you every time. And you may have to rush to get dressed. You may not be excited about what you wear, and that's going to affect your day. Conversely, if you put the work in and you open your closet and you say, I have an abundance of things to wear, let me choose my favorite, it's a whole nother experience. So, check your thoughts. What are they? Become aware of them and just get curious. Like, why am I so committed to the narrative that the traffic is terrible? Like, how is that improving your life? I promise you it's not. It's stressing you out. And would it hurt to change the narrative? Would it hurt to change your mind even just a little bit? Even just a little bit. Like, you don't have to change the whole narrative overnight. You can just change it a little bit. And just see how it affects your day. So this is Heidi with Nest Pretty. I am a closet coach. That means I can help you. I coach you in your closet and in your life. I live in the city and there's a rooster. I think that's so cool. If you want to get on my email list, just raise your hand, send me a little DM, and I'll put you on there. And then you can digest these little nuggets at your leisure. And if you ever want to work together, just let me know. I'm available to help you. This work is so profound, and I love it so much. I hope you have a fantastic day. It is gorgeous. The traffic, there is none. So be careful and have a great day.